I hope you enjoy viewing this tour. If you would like to see this fine property in person, please call me at 954-623-5100 extension 1310. What a find! Annual rental, available partially furnished or unfurnished. Spacious 2 halves plus den with upgrades in King's Isle's Isle of Capri. Open floor plan, great for entertaining. Beautiful dark laminate flooring in main areas of the home. 2 skylights and large windows fill the rooms with light. Gorgeous crown moldings accent the high ceilings. The galley kitchen has a bar for extra seating or hosting parties, and there's a separate dining room. Relax on the air-conditioned, all-weather patio. King's Isle is a very active 55-plus community with every amenity you could possibly want. Great pool, clubhouse, fitness center, cards, games, parties, billiards, arts and crafts, shuffleboard, and the list goes on. Near shopping, restaurants, medical offices and I-95.